Hello guys, so now we shall be discussing about the herpes virus. Okay, so we shall be focusing on the herpes virus. Now, in this herpes virus, there are different types of herpes virus. I hope all of you know them, right? So let us say we have got herpes simplex virus 1, HSV1. Okay, we also have got herpes simplex virus 2. We have also got herpes simplex virus 2, HSV2. Apart from that, we have got another group of herpes viruses. For example, we have got human herpes virus 3. If each herpes virus is known to cause a different disease. Human herpes virus 4, human herpes virus 5, human herpes virus 6 and 7, human herpes virus 8. So we have got 8 different types of herpes virus, right? Now obviously I will be discussing about each and everything in much detail, right? So now this will be just an introductory class, but whatever it is, human herpes virus 3, right? It is responsible for causing what? Chicken pox, right? So what is the virus name here? Human herpes virus 3, right? So what is the name of the virus here? That is varicella zoster virus. Varicella zoster virus. In the same way, human herpes 4, the name of the virus here is Epstein-Barr virus. Epstein-Barr virus. And finally, human herpes 5, right? The name of the virus here would be cytomegalovirus. Cytomegalovirus. Cytomegalovirus, right? So these are all the important things which you need to know regarding the herpes virus. Now we shall be discussing what is the mode of transmission of these viruses. Now what is the route of transmission, right? So I think it would be better if I discuss it here itself. Okay, so what would be the route of transmission? Now when you look at herpes simplex virus 1, the route of transmission would always be respiratory secretions. So respiratory secretions, in the sense, always whenever there is respiratory secretions as a route of transmission, saliva will also be a route of transmission. Okay, so not only respiratory secretions, there also will be saliva. Okay, now when it comes to herpes simplex virus 2, the main reason is 2. So two people join together, herpes simplex virus 2. So two people come together and they would have a sexual contact. So sexual contact is the main reason for herpes simplex virus 2. Now when it comes to this varicella zoster virus, that will also be respiratory secretions. Now again, when I am telling respiratory secretions, saliva also will be a part of it. Okay. Now human herpes virus 4. Even here also there are respiratory secretions, but another important thing you need to know is that the disease which is caused by this Epstein-Barr virus is also called as kissing disease. Kissing disease. So which group of individuals basically kiss? Mainly the children and the adults. So this disease is most commonly in the children and adults, right? So what is the route of transmission for this human herpes virus 5, guys? The route of transmission would be obviously respiratory secretions, but important thing would be congenital transfusion. Okay, congenital transfusion. And obviously this would be saliva, respiratory secretions, and 8 would always be sexually, because 8, they come in pairs of 2, right? So 2, 2, 2, 2. So 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 people come together, have a sexual contact. So 4 of them will have here, but whatever it is, sexually. So this is all we need to know regarding the introductory part of the herpes virus, parvovirus, right? And the different viruses we have discussed, right? Like polyomavirus, papillomavirus, adenovirus and all, right? So this is the end of the introductory part here, guys. So now we shall be discussing individual diseases. So thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye.